wonderful and colorful world of pets. And we hope that you will leave the show feeling amazed by our pet monster champions. And we go, our Topo Toucan, and they can be found in the jungle of South America. As you can see, despite young large bills, okay, they still do remain agile in life. Let's demonstrate that outcome. Okay, and thanks to their sponsors like this, we have successfully bred hornbills just like these, okay, and also we have successfully reintroduced them back into the nature reserve and also right here in the Jurong farm. Look at that wingspan, there you go. And in this society today, there you go. Okay, now let's open the size head, okay, in a very short while.
Ready now? Ready to start. Ready, go! Now the birds with their long, sexy legs. Now everyone, let's take them forward and let's welcome the supermodel of the world, our Greta Florido. And from South America, our beautiful and beautiful girls from out there and there. But let's give them a big hand. Thank you. Now we have come to the end of the show, and for those of you who want to take photographs with our beautiful birds, do stay on. We will bring up the photographic flamingo shortly. But in the meantime, you are more than welcome to come forward, take photographs of our beautiful birds on stage while we are ushering them back home. And for those of you who want to bring back some souvenirs, my friend up there selling plush toys at a very discounted price only at the Pools and Theater. Oh, okay. Now.
Ladies and gentlemen, this impressive eagle on my arm is the American bald eagle. Her name is Susie, by the way. Now, bald eagles can be found in North America, and some of you might be wondering, can you see her? Here she comes. Whoa, nice landing. Well done indeed. And she's going to make a low flight right above your heads. Whoa! Take a look at that bird of prey right back there.
Yeah.
What type of a bird of prey do you think Hazel is?
Vulture.
Vulture, very good. To be exact, Hazel is a hooded vulture, and hooded vultures can be found in Africa. Alright? Do you know that hooded vultures are actually critically endangered in the wild? Not many of them left, okay? Now we're going to get her to fly and land on the arm one more time. So this time, sir, you stand right over here now. Follow me. Okay, right over here. There you go. Face the audience once again. Open up your palm. We're going to place a little bit of food. Alright, do you remember her name? Her name is Hazel. Call for her name. Hazel! Whoa! Nice! Alright. Now the both of you can pose. ladies and gentlemen, joining us in the arena right now, our group of vultures. I'm going to start introducing them one by one. First of all, we've got the three big brown ones right back there. Those are the Cenarius vultures, and Cenarius vultures, they can be found in Europe and Asia. And we've got the two small grey ones right back there. Those are the white-backed vultures. White-backed vultures, they can be found in Africa. Unfortunately, the white-backed vultures are also critically endangered in the wild. Not many of them left. 8. All right, 2. We've got 2 throws left. I'm going to go right at the back so I can get a better angle and also do some really high ones. Whoa, 9. One very last high throw. Okay, let's see. Keep your eyes on that guy right up there. He's at a good vantage point. Here he comes. 10. Well done, well done. And oh, look right up there, ladies and gentlemen. That is...